A satellite of mass m is orbiting the Earth of radius r at a height h from the surface. The total energy of satellite in terms of g naught, the value of acceleration due to gravity at the Earth's surface is. So Rm is to write the equation for total energy of a satellite. We know the equation for total energy, that is minus of gmm divided by 2r or r0, where r0 is representing orbital radius. So you can write as minus of 2 into minus of gmm divided by 2 into orbital radius. We can take it as nothing but r plus h, that is the distance from the center. So you can write this is equal to, but Rm is to write this one in terms of acceleration due to gravity. So what we can do is we can just multiply this equation with r square and divided by r square. So that we'll get a term gm by r square, which is acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So you can write this minus of g naught into m into r square divided by 2 times of r plus h. So this will be the value of total energy in terms of acceleration due to gravity.